The Robert Spence murder trial began last Monday, where members of the jury were sworn in before heading out on a site visit, where they wandered around the area of St Mary's Butts, where the attack was alleged to have taken place on May 2nd last year. The jury visited Bar Mango behind me, where Robert and 6 of his friends were seen on CCTV to enter at 11:30 p.m. on May 1st, before leaving around closing time at 3:30 a.m. They walked from the club in Hoseley Street up to St Mary's Butts, where Robert's friend Matthew Hinge had a verbal argument with Darren Husband, who was handing out flyers at the time. That then led to Robert's friend Marsden Stout being bottled in the face by another gentleman, which eventually led to the stabbing and the death of Robert. As part of the prosecution case, members of the jury were shown CCTV evidence which shows a white figure crouching over, making 6 to 7 stabbing motions towards the ground. Ian Aitchison, prosecuting, alleges the white figure is one of the 5 defendants, 30-year-old Nicholas Olu from Bristol. On Thursday, Robert's friend Emmanuel Connor took to the witness box, where he recalls seeing 5 men walking towards him armed with knives. He told jurors, "I saw 5 guys come round the corner holding knives in their hand. They were walking very fast, shoulder to shoulder. They all had knives. One had a samurai sword about 2 feet. It had a curved blade and was in a case. As I turned round, he was getting it out of the case. Another one had a butterfly knife with 1 blade. It was quite big, about 1 foot. The others had smaller lock knives." He went on, "They were about 4 meters away when I saw the knives. They approached very fast. I was walking backwards. Juna came round the side of me. I was still backing up at that point, and the next thing you know, I saw Junior on the floor." He added, "It looked like they were obviously punching him from afar. They were stabbing him." Mr. Connor told the court he couldn't remember how many times the former Riot Green pupil was stabbed, but added it was quite a lot. The pair hailed down a cab which took them to the Royal Berkshire Hospital, where Mr. Connor had 1 litre of blood removed from his chest cavity after he was stabbed in the back. Robert Spence was pronounced dead at 4:56 a.m. Nicholas Olu, Jamal Powell, Carlton Miles, Leon Wilson and David Brooks, all from Bristol, all deny murdering Robert and the attempted murder of his friend Emmanuel Connor. The trial continues.